Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin from Binance US to another wallet. Moving your digital assets requires careful attention to detail, and we're here to guide you through each step. We'll cover everything from initiating the withdrawal to confirming your transaction, ensuring your Bitcoin reaches its destination safely. This guide will help you understand the process, making your cryptocurrency transfers smooth and secure. To begin, log into your Binance US account and locate your wallet. From there, select Bitcoin and choose the withdrawal option. You will then need to input the external wallet address where you want to send your Bitcoin. It is absolutely crucial to double-check this address for accuracy, as an incorrect address could result in permanent loss of your funds. Always verify every character before proceeding. Next, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. You will also see the network fees, which are typically a small fraction of your transaction. Carefully review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the recipient address, the amount, and the associated fees. This is your last chance to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. After reviewing, you will be prompted to complete any necessary security verifications, such as two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. The time it takes for your Bitcoin to arrive in the external wallet can vary, typically ranging from a few minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion. Always keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and being vigilant against phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.